This day I work remotely, I work from home, and after a while I took myself to the Hisense store to get a refrigerator. This was me in the Hisense store checking out the different refrigerators that were within my budget, of course. Yeah, I checked this out. This was my first choice initially, but I kind of made a different choice afterwards after seeing the next fridge. Yeah, so this was me going about checking and seeing what else they have in store. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And at the end of the day, Raquel ended up picking this just without the water dispenser type of thing. Yeah, I got this exact fridge and it was so beautiful. I was so excited. Oh my god. I was so grateful. This was just me checking out all the other things I would like to get. I would like to purchase a washing machine because it will make my life way easier. Yes, I'm